Today we're out in Mount Vintage in North Augusta, South Carolina, and thrilled to introduce to you a home that defines every letter of the word excellence. Built by one of the top builders in our area, this home is impeccable with every corner you turn and every detail defined inside this home. It is perfection throughout. This isn't just a house, this is a place that you'll be proud to call home. Whether you're looking for comfort, quality, or style, this home has it all. Come on with me and let's take a closer look. For more information about this property and others, please do not hesitate to reach out to me by phone or text. My phone number is 803-270-7583. You can reach out to me by email, DM on social media, or comment below this video, and I'll get back in touch with you. I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Maybaum Real Estate.